You are a Jira admin, and one of the user complained, okay, like this, there is one filter is not working, or some issues is there. Okay, he's complaining, and now you want to impersonate the user. You want to log in as a user and check the issues. How you can do that? So by default, it's not given by the Atlassian. Okay, but with the help of scriptner you can do. So just go down under built-in script, just go down. Here you will get option switch to different user, and let me show you. I am logged in as a admin. Now I want to log in as a user. Let me show you Jira KT. Click on run. Okay, this will change completely. You will logged in as a now user. You can see this profile. You can see this is your normal user one. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to go back to admin. Just click on the return to your session as a Jira SMA. Just click on that. You will logged in as a admin account. Okay, admin account I have logged in. Thank you for watching.